In this video, I will show you how you can charge your AirPods using your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. To do that, you will need the charging cable of your iPhone. As you can see over here, I have a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, but if your AirPods has a Lightning port instead of the USB Type-C port, then in that case, just grab a USB Type-C to a Lightning cable, or you can get a USB Type-C to a Lightning connector. Now after you do that, now just plug in one end of the cable to your iPhone. Then plug the other end of the charging cable to your AirPods. And after you do that, your iPhone will start charging your AirPods. Now, while the iPhone 15 lineup supports wireless charging, meaning that you can charge your iPhone using any wireless charger or a MagSafe charger, but you cannot charge any other device using your iPhone, because it does not support reverse wireless charging. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.